How to turn on chat heads on Messenger. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up the Messenger app. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the top left of the screen or the profile picture. And once you do that, you need to scroll down to the preferences section, from which you can see chat heads all the way down with a toggle next to it that's turned off. So in order for you to enable chat heads, all what you have to do is click on the toggle to turn it on. And once you do that, this means that chat heads are now enabled in your Messenger app. So that was it for this video. That's how you can turn on chat heads in Messenger. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.